This is Ben Hardy and Campbell Turner's video on how to use study rooms at the Huntsman School of Business. To use a study room at the USU Business School, decide beforehand which study room you want to reserve. There are study rooms that you can check out on the first floor, second floor, third floor, and study areas on the fourth floor. Each study room has different amenities. Some have whiteboards, some have TVs, and some have amazing views of Cache Valley, if you're someone who likes a view to study to. Walk around the building and check out all the study rooms and pick your favorite. Once you've decided on a study room, go to scheduling.usu.edu/EMS Log in with your A number, create a new booking, and pick Huntsman School study rooms. The next step is to select a time and study room number. Once you've done this, click Next Step. Enter your information like reservation name, reservation type, then scroll down the list to find your name. After you've found your name, enter your phone number, and that's it. Once you've gotten to your study room, you can check out the screen to see your study session information and how long you have the room reserved. Now that you're in the study room, you can use the whiteboards, outlets, and TVs to hook up your phone or laptop up to the TV to screen share. Follow the instructions on the TV. The last step to using the study rooms at the Huntsman School of Business is to grab a Red Bull, relax, and have a good study session. Enjoy!